Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Pull the Trigger Auto Financing's channels. Just wanted to reach out to you and discuss some of the options that are available. So when you're purchasing a new or new to you vehicle at most dealerships, you are asked to secure your loan. So much like home mortgage with CMHC, unfortunately, CMHC is something that you have to take. You don't have to take life and disability on your car loan. I tell people you should take life and disability on yourself, and mortgage insurance, same thing. Don't take out mortgage insurance. Take out a life insurance policy on yourself, because you're still paying the same amount of money. But the mortgage part, and much like the car part, it drops down. So the amount of money that you're getting paid back drops down while your payments are staying the same. So that doesn't make much sense. So I'm here to help you make sense of your financial responsibilities. I'm starting to follow my own advice with a lot of these things, and I am starting to pull myself back up. In this current economy, it's been rather difficult, so I'm trusting that I can earn the businesses of many of you to be able to assist you in purchasing and selling your current vehicles. I work with dealerships all across Canada, in case you didn't know. I pitch vehicles to multiple parties, multiple brands. I have many contacts with different dealerships all across Canada, and I want to go to work for you. So I want to be able to help you find your next vehicle. I want to be able to help you sell your current vehicle and be able to come out with a good feeling. A lot of people don't have good feelings when it comes to dealerships. And you know what? I've been punished for saying that in the past. It is what it is, right? Nobody works for free. I don't work for free. You don't work for free. Everyone needs to make a little bit of money. I don't need to make a lot of money off of people. I just need to make a little bit. So I'd rather make a little bit out of a lot of people than a lot out of a little bit. And that's why I'm here to go to work for you. Now, I've watched videos from other professional YouTubers that have done the whole, don't do this, don't do that, do this, do that, this is better, that's better. You know what? In all honesty, okay, take your vehicle. If you love cars, you already know about clay barring. If not, go to a shop that does paint correction. Get your brand new or new to you vehicle that you're going to be keeping for a long time paint corrected. Okay. After that, get it ceramic coated with professional grade products. Okay. Don't go to some backyard hillbilly hick. Go to a professional shop that has a reputable posting on all social media channels. Look at all the reviews. See how people are happy with their service. If you want, schedule a time where you can go in and actually see them do the work on another customer's vehicle. And you can just see the level of professionalism some of these companies carry. And then there's the XPEL. So I'm a huge believer in XPEL. I love the product. Okay. I actually have it on my phone and I have it on my iPad. And you know what? It's saving my screens so much. So, I'm planning on eventually, once the world starts shaping up and things start being affordable and I clear out all my debts, that I'm going to start covering my vehicles in XPEL. After they're paint corrected, after they're ceramic coated, after all the work that's done on the outside's done, I am looking at getting all of my vehicles protected and not having any rust happen ever. So for me, that's something that's really important. I finally found my forever vehicle and I'm quite happy with it. I am going to be showing that on my channels sometime soon. As soon as I can get up enough money to give her a bath. But yeah, it's amazing to me the amount of people that are out there, saying, okay, well, you shouldn't be buying a car for any longer than 5 years and you shouldn't be putting down so much money to get to where you need to be. You know what? Let's face it. Okay. The longer the term, the lower the payment. Okay. The lower the payment, the more affordable it is. Now, most loans are open-ended, which means that you can pay them down at any time. So that 8-year loan, you could pay off, fast track it to 3 or 4 years, 5 years, just put extra money down on it and pay on the principal. But the thing is that banks want to have you borrow over a longer term. So a lot of the times you'll see that the long term, it has a decent interest rate, especially if you're going with a used car. You're going to have your best interest rate for a long period of time. And the more money you borrow, the better the rates get, because the banks want to make money off you. So what happens is that a lot of people, they think that, okay, if I'm going to buy a 2013 car, I'm going to be paying like $8,000 for it. But when it all works out to it over the time period that you can actually finance that, if you can even get financing on it, you're going to be spending close to double that because of the interest. Now, take your time, book with me. We'll sit down, we'll go over options. Love to be able to work with you. Check us all out on all social media. Pull the trigger. Thanks.